Today you have any online test or it is already conducted?
Already conducted, ma'am. Hello?
Okay.
Yes.
So why the strength is very less?
Ma'am, maybe they'll come right now in few minutes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so we'll wait for some time and then we'll start with the today's session. I hope everyone have installed the Python and they know how to write a code and execute the code, right? So we'll today we'll do some exercise. So let's just wait for other students, okay? Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so we'll start with today's session. So we'll start with the practice exercise. So I will ask the question, and side by side we'll have the solution and we'll discuss on that solution as well. Okay. So let me share you the questions. Very basic, based on variables. Then uh, variables, operators, input and output. Okay. So let's start with the first question. My screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll start with the first question. Okay. So first question is, what is the printed when the following statement is executed? Okay. So this is the question, and options are: A, nothing is printed; B, Thursday; C, 32.5; and D is 19.
D, ma'am. Option D.
Option is D. Just a second. Huh? Neha, can you unmute yourself and tell me the answer? Neha,
Yes, ma'am. D
for the first, yes. D, how
option.
it is D?
Ma'am, because first we give the string Thursday, uh,
Hmm.
then we give 32.5 and then 19. The last one it will take.
Updated value is 19. So that is why the output will be D is 19. Right. Okay. Understood. Any doubt in such type of question where same variable is repeated? Okay. So whenever the same variable is repeated, the last value assigned to that variable will be the output. Okay. So now let's go for the second one. Okay. So here X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and X is there. So after for following statement, what are the values of first X and then Y? I will ask. I'm going to ask uh, Priyanka Vani. Priyanka Vani, unmute yourself. Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. So this is the question. And what is the expected value for X and Y?
After the following ma'am, X22 and Y15.
Okay. Can you justify how it is coming? X is 22 and Y is 15. So other students will get this part.
इस फर्स्ट एक्स को 15 वैल्यू दिया है, फिर एक्स का वैल्यू वाई को असाइन किया तो वाई को भी 15 वैल्यू रहेगा, फिर एक्स का वैल्यू अपडेट किया तो एक्स का 22 होगा तो
Okay,
वाई
okay. Right. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Hmm. So next question is, What is printed when the following statement is executed? So x assigned with 12, then x is equal to x minus 3, then x is equal to x plus 5, then x is equal to x plus 1. So print value x. So I can give you the answer also. Options I will give you, but can you just try without option? What is the value, output value?
15, ma'am.
Shraddha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I came just now.
Okay. So observe this question carefully. I'm giving you time. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have this question. X is assigned to 12, then x is equal to x minus 3, and x is equal to x plus 5, and then x is equal to plus 1. Then print x. So what is the expected output? So you can go one by one step, each step. Okay, execute each step. So go step by step. First, x is assigned to 12. Then in the next step, what is happening over here? This value x will be x minus 3, means x minus 12 minus
12
3
minus
is
3.
9.
Yes. Then
So now updated
given to 9. X will be 9. Then plus 5.
Plus 5, then value will be 14.
14.
Okay. And then
15.
14 plus 1, 15x. So let's check the output. Okay. So 12, 9, 15, D. So correct answer is 15. Okay. So this way you have to go step by step. Okay, so now this module is clear. Now we'll go to the second one. Now, what value is printed when the following statement is executed? So now here you can see print integer 53.785. Okay, nobody will execute this command. Okay, you need to observe it, and you should able to tell. Okay, so print int 53.785. Okay, and these are the 4 options. So what is the output? Neha, unmute yourself. Neha. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. So what is the output when print int is 53.785? So what is the output?
Option B, ma'am. 53 integer
Option
value.
integer value. So whenever we have this int value, then we get 53.785. If we don't print this int and simply we are writing print 53.785, it will return this value as 53.785, but in terms of string, right?
Yes.
And also it is 53.785. It will not get round off also. It will remain 53 in remaining after decimal number, it will get discarded. Okay, this is very, very important point. If anybody is having doubt in this, they can ask. Okay, similarly you can type other data type, that is int hai to float karke dekho, string karke dekho, and just check what you are getting. Okay, similarly able to know how to convert string into int and int into string. Okay. Next question, what is printed when the following statement executed? So initially n is input, please enter the age, and user entered 18 value. So print type n. Okay. So what is the output of this? Sandhya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So go through each of the line and try to identify the output, expected output. N is assigned with input, enter the age. Okay. Then person enter N value as 18. And then it says print type N. Okay. So what is the output? What you galat hua to bhi chalega. Ulta galat hua to there is a chance to explain and we can have discussion on this topic. So don't worry about it.
Ma'am, B option, class int.
Class int. Okay. Okay. Next, Rahul. Rahul,
Yes, ma'am.
can you unmute yourself? Okay. Can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 18.
18. Okay. Uh, Saurabh, unmute yourself. Saurabh,
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I guess C.
Pratik.
C answer. Class 18.
Saurabh,
Hello.
class 18. Okay.
Class C.
Yes, you are audible. Class 18. Okay. Any other? Anybody? Any other answer? So, class क्या बोला था? एक आंसर था डी, दूसरा आंसर है इंट एंड तीसरा आंसर है क्लास 18. ओके. सी, इसके अलावा किसी का कुछ आंसर है? कैन स्पीक अप.
Ma'am,
ओके. सो
Hello.
व्हेन हाँ,
ma'am, it will be
yes,
class string.
class string. Yes, it is right. So can you able to explain?
Yes. Ma'am, we are giving
Yes.
input in the string. Please enter your age. That
Yes.
will be in string.
Yes.
Whatever we are entering,
So whenever
that will
you
be in string.
whenever you use this input function and whatever is there inside this input function, okay, so that will be in terms of string and you are calling the function type. Okay, so type will be tell you the type of data. Okay, so what is inside here is string, so your answer will be class as a string. Understood? So similarly, you can check for other types. Okay, so if you write n is equal to int input, please enter your age. So that string will be converted into integer, and then if you write print set, then you will get type n is equal to int value. That is the whenever you write a type function, it will tell you the type of the message, whether it is a number, whether it is integer or it is string or character. Okay, so this type function is very very important. If it is simply written as print n, means it will simply print your whatever the value it is there, that will be automatically it will return. Okay, but if you write type function, then it will tell you the type of that function. Okay, type of that data, that is integer, float, character, and so on. Okay, so those who have Python in front of them right now, Python editor, okay, just try to execute this function. N is equal to input. First you have to try I will tell you 3 versions are there. First of all, we'll see all the variations. First type, n is equal to input, please enter the age. So I will also simultaneously do it. Those who don't have Python editor with them, they can look into this. Uh, typing math. So n is equal to input let me increase the font size. I can increase the font size from here. Okay. So n is equal to input, print, enter your age. Okay, so it will return is 18. So it will give you 18 value. Okay, so now if I type n is equal to, let's try int input into bracket, please enter your age. Okay, so now whatever value you are having, you should close the bracket. Whatever value you are getting, that will be converted into int. So let's first of all check that. So now I'm typing 18. So I'm getting, now I need to print that. Okay, so I need to use the print statement. Print type. If I write type, we'll check both the thing and n. So whenever now you can see here, class is int. Okay, if I remove this int, okay, if I remove this int, so input is terms of string. Okay, so I'll just print. Okay, so here we can enter age is 18. Now when I print this statement, type n, okay, enter. Now it is asking as a, it is saying that the given value is in string. Okay, simply if I print n, it will return the value. Okay, so now have you understood what is the use of this type function, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next. Okay, so these are some problems statement. Let me give you that first. Okay. So now you have to write a program that will compute the area triangle. Okay. Prompt the user to enter the width and height of the triangle. That is means you have to use the input command for width and height. So use the value. Okay. And then also you have to print a nice message with the answer. Okay. Don't type only print and the variable. Just type the message and the variable. Okay. That is the meaning of this question. So just try this question. Try this problem. You have to do is you have to write a program that will compute the area of the triangle. Okay, so area of the triangle is equal to, you know, the formula. Okay, you write the formula. Before that, assign this two variable and then print statement. 4 to 5 lines of code. Okay, so just try once and then again we will discuss. I hope everyone is in the position to have that much understanding that how we can get the variable and how we assign the formula. We write the formula and then print. Okay, it is very simple program. Just try. So note down again. I will copy this program into your chat box so that you can able to. This is the question. So just try. Okay, who has completed? Can we discuss? Rahul, Rahul Thorat,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So start with the defining the variable width and height. So if you are doing simultaneously, you can share the screen. Else, tell us the command how you are going to define the width and height. It should be prompt the user to enter the width and height. So for that one we required
Need to define width is equal to float and give the input. And again height, float and input.
okay. Then
we need to write formula area is rectangle area, na? Width into height.
Rectangle area.
Width into
Yes,
height. Then we
right.
need to print.
Hmm.
Then we need to print the area.
Okay. Okay. So here we can say when we have width is integer in and height is integer height, right? It is visible to everyone. I don't know how to increase the font size, so I'm not able to increase, but it is visible, the code.
No, ma'am, your screen is not visible.
हाँ okay है क्या? Okay, just wait.
Yes.
So those who have ID in their laptop, they can simultaneously perform, and those who don't have laptop and ID installed in that, okay, look at the screen. So here we need to define the width variable first, height variable first, assign width and variable, and get the input from the user. Okay, so for that we need to use the input. So I have converted the whatever value it is entered in terms of numbers. I'm converting that value in terms of integer. If you want, you can take it as a float also, no problem. Okay. Then message as per the given instruction. So the you can write the statement, that is write indentation, you can write whatever you want to print, and then comma. Okay, so the area of the rectangle is initially it is asking me for width. Okay, so I'm typing width is 2, height is 4, and the expected value is 8. So the area of the rectangle is 8. Understood? Okay. Now let's go for this problem. Still we have time, so we can cover one more problem. Okay. This is something interesting. So write a program that will convert degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so you can easily get the formula to convert Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to write in terms of formula in Python. That so I'm giving you the formula because you should able to write the formula in terms of Python statement. Okay, so you can have two variable. One is for degree Celsius and the second is degree Fahrenheit, and then third is the formula for convert, and fourth is the final output. Okay, so this is the 4-step process. Okay, just try. Everyone should able to write the formula in terms of statement in the Python. That is very important, very important. So first task is you have to search for conversion. Okay, I'm not directly giving you the formula to convert Celsius into the Fahrenheit. So you have to check for the conversion formula from Celsius to the Fahrenheit. And the second is you should able to express that formula in terms of Python. Assign variable, that is degree Celsius. So I'm using EEG underscore C for degrees and DEF underscore F for take any variable for assigning Celsius value and the Fahrenheit value. Okay, just try and let me know the answer. So again, for this, I'm giving you 5 minutes time to search for conversion formula and to write the code. So this time, those who are simultaneously performing the practical, share the screen. So let me, so that I will be knowing that how many students are performing simultaneously. Those who don't have ID install, take your notebook out and write down the expression of conversion of Celsius into the Fahrenheit in Python. Very Okay. Who is ready with the answer? Pranav? Pranav?
Ma'am, just 1 minute. I'm doing it.
Okay. Completed. Anyone?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So can you share the program? Share your screen.
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. And simultaneously we'll check the output. Other students, I'm hoping that everyone is doing the coding, okay? Solving the problem. Shraddha?
Yes,
श्रद्धा
ma'am.
जाधव, there are two
Yes, ma'am.
श्रद्धा.
No,
दो
no.
श्रद्धा है क्या
No.
अपने यहाँ पे?
No, no.
Okay.
Hello. Ma'am, it's internet issue.
Okay. Okay, understood. Can you show us first program? Okay. It is not visible. So first you have assigned
Ma'am,
DEG.
I
Can you
overlap
copy
the
this
phone.
into Word file so that we can able to see your program?
Word, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, no, I don't know. Okay, wait. Okay. Ma'am, is it visible? Hello? Konnichiwa. Hello? Wait, which one?
No.
Wait. Is it now, ma'am?
You have to remove that borders.
Colors.
That is underline
Okay,
highlighted.
ma'am.
Okay, but why it is?
No. This one. All right. And So text color black.
Make it black, dark black. और bold भी कर दोगे तो भी चलेगा.
Okay, bold कर दो.
So you have taken float input, enter the degree. Okay. हाँ, degree float input, enter the degree. No, see, okay. Actually, it is right, but the user, what he will understood by the statement enter the degree means you have to write the full statement. Na?
Okay, no
You have
ma'am,
to write
just
enter
short.
temperature value.
Okay.
Understood, okay. Then Fahrenheit is float degree multiply by 1.8 plus 32. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then print the conversion. The degree to Fahrenheit is no. Okay. And okay, fine. Show me the output. It is right. Program is
Okay,
right,
ma'am.
but the conversion
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
conversion formula, I think there is some.
Ma'am, formula is correct.
Ma'am, formula should be right, ma'am. I think.
Show me the output.
Yes, ma'am. It's over here, 68 degree. Sorry, 68 Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, formula is correct.
Similarly, I will show you. Formula is correct. Okay. So similarly, I will show you how to convert degree Celsius into the Fahrenheit. Same. The formula, I think there is a problem. Something. Formula is not correct. Let me show you the, because I have taken from Google only yesterday.
Okay.
I will share you my screen. Can you close your presentation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's look at the program. So we have defined two variables. One is degree underscore C and degree underscore. Okay. So I've taken in
Ma'am,
no
we can't see the screen.
value as well. No problem. Then degree underscore F is equal to, this is the conversion formula, that is.
Ma'am, we can't see the
You're not
screen.
able to see the screen.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Now it is visible. Hello.
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible to all.
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It is not visible. This one.
No, ma'am.
It is not visible. अभी तो चल रहा था. Okay.
It is visible.
Now you
ma'am.
will able to. See, so I have defined two variables. So this is the formula for the conversion. Okay, degree Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, so let's check the output. You will get the idea. Later on, you can check. Okay, so it
Ma'am, that
says
9 by 5,
first
1.8
of all,
only.
acha, okay, that you have taken. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So see, so first of all, what is the temperature in Celsius? So user will enter when he will get this string. So he will enter degree Celsius value as 32. Okay. So expected output is 32 degrees Celsius is 89.6 degree Fahrenheit. So this way to get the answer. Okay, so always read the question very carefully, okay, and step by step perform. Okay, so today we'll stop here only. If you have any doubt regarding this or exercise you want, just you can post or you message me, so I will share such type of problems and we will discuss next session also.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, taken your attendance already. Okay. Okay, okay, bye.